while Good Burger is a slapstick comedy revolving around Dexter and Ed's zany antics. A closer look at the film reveals that Ed, the perpetually cheerful and seemingly oblivious cashier, is often the true victim of the narrative. His innocent nature and unique understanding of the world make him highly susceptible to manipulation and exploitation, particularly by those who are more cunning or self-interested. Despite his pivotal role in saving Good Burger, Ed frequently bears the brunt of the chaos and is used by others for their own benefit, rarely receiving genuine consideration for his feelings or well-being. One of the most apparent ways Ed is victimized is through Dexter Reed's constant exploitation of his naivete. Dexter, needing money to repair his mom's car, quickly realizes he can capitalize on Ed's extraordinary ability to remember burger orders and his unparalleled dedication to Good Burger. He persuades Ed into a partnership that heavily favors himself, often leaving Ed to do the bulk of the work or endure the more ridiculous situations. Dexter repeatedly takes advantage of Ed's trusting nature and pure-hearted loyalty, seeing him more as a means to an end than a friend, which is a subtle form of emotional and practical exploitation. Furthermore, Ed's peculiar way of thinking and communicating often leads to him being misunderstood or underestimated by almost everyone around him. His non sequitur responses and seemingly illogical actions are played for comedic effect, but they also highlight a profound disconnect between him and the rest of the world. People rarely try to truly understand Ed's perspective or reasoning, instead dismissing him as simple-minded. This constant underestimation means his genuine contributions and insights are often overlooked until they accidentally lead to a solution, reinforcing his position as an outsider who is not taken seriously, but rather laughed at or directed. Ultimately, Ed's unwavering optimism and lack of malice make him inherently vulnerable in a world full of self-serving individuals. He consistently gives his all, whether it's memorizing orders, protecting Good Burger, or simply making people smile, without expecting anything in return. This boundless generosity, coupled with his easily manipulated nature, positions him as a character who is repeatedly taken advantage of. Despite the comedic wrapping, Ed endures physical mishaps, emotional neglect from Dexter, and societal misunderstanding, making him, in essence, the lovable but unwitting victim of Good Burger.